looking for that little sandy shore bit right there. Used to be a shipyard along here. That's where we're headed. See some not from around here rocks, traces of the old shipyard, ballast. Finally here. Been staring at this shore for a couple of years, so today was the day. Perfect. Fastener. A few of those I see here. One over here too. Don't think I'll be taking those home. Lots of erosion along here. We'll get the metal detector fired up. See what we can find. Well, I've found pintles before, but never the pintle-y. Pintle would have fit right in there. Broken axe that broke from use or just over the ages. So that's a pretty nice coin. Finally found one in a while. That looks like King George III, facing right, but it could be King George II. I'm not sure. Usually he's facing the other way. And on this side there's a harp. So that usually means it's a Hibernia, which is an Irish coin. Anyway, it's hard to see there in the sun, but when we get home we'll have a better look. Excellent, good condition too. I was getting kind of discouraged there for a bit, and then we had that really nice tone, and lately it's been fuel line, copper fuel line from boats, so it's the very same tone as this coin, so you gotta check anyway. Quite a collection of pottery shards and crock. This is a crock pot. It was just all in this area here. Didn't go too far to find all this stuff. I always find it interesting to see these. Pretty fancy.